Hey guys, Nathan here. Welcome to In the Sticks. It's time to get to work again on the $300 Cheap Jeep. Let's get started. Project Cheap Jeep, Part 3. Look at that. There it is. The infamous starter. It is cleaned. It is painted. It is ready to go. We got the edges here all cleaned up so that there's a good ground. And we're going to see if we can get this bad boy to finally fire up. All right, guys, watch this. We're going to see if we get a little touch of life. Ha! She turns over at least. Not fast. Now we got the spark plugs pulled there. These are our old nasty spark plugs. Less than to be desired. And this here is one of our new shiny spark plugs that we're going to put in, along with some starting fluid. Let's see if we can get this guy to fire. There they are, shiny new spark plugs installed. Let's give her a little shot of starting fluid. See if she cranks. All right, fuzz around. All right, let's see if we can get this to go here. That is just not enough to crank her over. All right, so the motor's not cranking, but check this out. We got lights, we got high beams, we got low beams, and we might not have spark, but we're at least going in the right direction a little bit. It's exciting just to see a little hint of life coming out of this old Jeep here. Still, I gotta tell you, I'm stumped. But maybe you know what the next step is. What do we have to do to this thing to make it bark? I'm gonna show you something here. So here's the other cool thing. Our hydraulic pump, when we're cranking it over, this is the hydraulic for the plow. You can see the hydraulic fluid was coming out, but we were missing the part right here that lets the hydraulic fluid flow to the cylinder for the plow, make it go up and down. Looking on eBay, look what I found. I'm glad it looks like the pump works, but now I even have an extra. But this is the piece I was going after. So that little lever pulls that back and forth to let the hydraulic fluid in and out of this reservoir here to cause my blade to go up and down. So once we get the Jeep running, fixing the plow blade will be the next step. Now we have the piece. Pretty cool. Maybe 12. That's a little better. But not enough.
Do that again.
Do it again? I don't think it's going to go yet.
No.
More shot. Let's give it a shot with 12. Faster, but still not enough. Little by little, we're picking away. I'm not gonna lie, Jeeps are an expensive-ish hobby. But the cool thing is, when you get into this hobby and when you get to know people, it's actually not that bad. When I got this, a buddy of mine gave me the light for that was cracked. I was able to give him some things that he needed for his project, and it's a cool hobby where you get to know a lot of people, and sometimes you get to help those people out. And the nice thing about a hobby like this is sooner or later, you acquire extra parts. A lot of little things that I already have that isn't going to cost me very much to replace now that I can just put them where they belong. Anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this little update. If you have any ideas of how we can get this just a little bit closer, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed already, you should, because we got awesome content and a lot more coming your way. One day we're going to have this guy firing up, and it's going to be exciting. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Sticks.